All right, I am so excited to introduce to you Luke. Well, Luke, it's been a while since the moon shoes video, which I think is probably one of the best videos we've ever made. And so we thought, what would be better than moon shoes? And then Gabe found this in his garage. Gabe has had this for years. His mom won't let him use them because she thinks that he will get extremely injured. Flyjumperstore.com, Fly Jumper. You can walk over 2 to 3 meters in one step, and you can jump 1 to 2 meters high. So if you can jump from here up the Braille drop, I will give you $3. So go ahead and try these on. You gotta skate with them though.
Oh my goodness.
You've never opened these?
No.
I feel like this is from the circus.
Brand spanking new. I kid you not, they use these in Cirque du Soleil. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Definitely need a helmet.
Okay, well you put those on, I'll go find you a helmet. I think
Dude, they
we
even
have
have
like...
snowboard bindings. Look at that.
I think that's the wrong way, right?
How do you bail?
You don't bail, you just fall.
Wait, yeah, what?
This is a very bad idea.
It's a very good idea.
This is probably way scarier than the moon shoes by far. And you want me to ride a skateboard with these?
Apparently, like, that you run really fast in them.
So who bought this for you, Gabe?
My mother bought these as a Christmas present when I was probably like 9 years old. So literally like 10 years ago, and would not let me use them.
Hey Gabe, Merry Christmas, but you're not allowed to use that.
Literally, yes.
Oh my gosh.
How does that feel?
Not good.
Really? Please do not break your leg.
Last week I was like, Luke, you need to come here more, and this is what you put him through. He's got the helmet though, so at least he's safe. Aaron, I want you to try him, dude.
Yeah, totally. We'll just see how this goes with Luke, and I'll be eating my sandwich. If you get really good at them, you can jump and we'll skate underneath you. All the videos with Luke end up being no skateboarding. We have to get some skateboarding in this somehow. Okay.
All right.
Good luck.
It's like father-son moment.
I think it's fine.
The child I always wanted.
Wait, I need help.
Oh no.
You ready?
Whoa!
You got it?
Whoa! Yes!
He's like shockingly good. Okay, 2 to 3 meters with a single step.
Oh!
Can you imagine just Luke just running down the street 35 miles an hour?
It's like a biomechanical enhancement, bro. Oh my goodness gracious. Aaron, support him from the back, dude.
He's fine, he's holding on. You got this, Luke.
You can't balance on this.
Oh my gosh!
That's the thumbnail right there. Kickflip.
Oh! Oh!
Nailed it. You killed it. We got some skateboarding in there. I don't know what to say. You need help? I got you, bro. Ah! Really? Really? You didn't? Yeah.
Oh!
I do not like this.
I've never seen Mario laugh this hard.
He looks like Bambi.
Oh my gosh. These suck. Why do we have these? These are terrible. This is no fun.
What are you talking about? That was so much fun.
You can't see where he slipped.
The moon shoes were good because you're like this far from the ground. But this, you're like 5 feet. Carlos, want to go?
Don't do it, Carlos. Don't fall into peer pressure.
It's not that bad at all, Carlos.
He's trying to lie to me, so I'm good friend Luke.
I don't even, this is like bionic human. This is beyond me.
Aren't you happy we found these?
Yes.
How you feeling, Carlos?
I don't know yet. I realized halfway through this I regret my decision. Normally I don't wear helmets, but for this, I'll make an exception.
Oh my goodness.
You look so good in this.
He's rising.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, this hurts. This is hard, dude.
Dude, Luke made it look really easy.
If you want to start the push, you can. Oh my god.
All right, here we go.
Take 2. Alright, Carlos, get to Luke.
Oh yeah.
You're leaning, you're leaning, you're leaning.
Just give me like some good amount of speed.
Okay.
Oh, we did it.
You did it for like a split second.
Dude, that's hard, bro.
Take it up to 5.
Dude, my leg just gave out right when I took that first step. These things weigh like 50 pounds each, right? You wanna try it?
No.
Oh! I think on that note, I'm tapping out. That hurt.
It's already scary. I'm gonna die. R.I.P.
I feel like you're gonna be the best at them, Teddy.
No, don't put that juju on me. That's not a good idea. Gotta be cool.
This looks wrong. Legit look like Iron Man, dude. All right, Teddy.
How do I even stand up?
Oh my God, he already fell.
The ground is very slippery. What the fork?
Oh my God!
Gabe put that bad juju on me. I have like no balance. What's that, Kelly?
Jump over me. You want to dunk on me?
There he goes! Go up the bank.
I feel like I'm gonna break my knees. I'm being choked here. I can see what happened to Carlos.
All right, you got this, Teddy.
Bionic Fetty. I think it's softer up there. It's okay though, it's soft on the wood. The wood is soft. I'll pull you up and you jump.
No.
Jump to the ceiling. Come here. There you go. Jump, Eddie. Yes.
Yeah!
Yes.
Yeah!
Higher. No, Eddie, no. Now let's go to the trampoline.
I can't even get up.
Why do I feel like Fetty's having the most fun on these things? Here, use this. Grab onto this. There you go.
You gotta put one leg up at a time.
Take it up to Big Bang. Take it up to Euro.
Please jump 1 to 2 meters.
Oh, he nailed that! No, Fetty! No! Yeah! Wow! Can you feel? Trip over your own feet.
You gotta keep your legs apart. You gotta kind of like run like this.
Dude, you're having a great time. Look, he's even figuring out how to stand up. Yeah, Fetty.
I can't stand still, I'm laughing. Mom!
Now without holding on.
That was amazing.
I'm done. My time here is done.
2 to 3 meters a step, please, Fetty. Oh yeah.
Oh!
Safety.
Aaron, run next to him.
This is Gabe's favorite video we've ever made. He just losing it.
It's so good. I'm a wounded horse.
You're getting good at it, Fetty. You think you could jump up a box?
No, I can't jump. I can run.
Whoa, he's fast! Yeah! Dude, you're fast!
This is the scariest video we've ever made.
He's actually pretty fast.
Dude, unbelievable.
I can't run out there. There's no safe zone.
There's the fence.
No. No, there's too many dips in the ground.
Yeah! Yes, you nailed that.
To the fence.
No!
How did that even happen? Wow, look at this. We should do Bionic runner versus skateboard race.
My bionic strength is just rip the whole thing.
How did that happen?
This is the best video of all time.
What do we do now? Is that it?
Adrenaline rush like none other.
Was it?
Yeah.
You got incredibly good at that. Just doing.
Yeah, I actually had to start running pretty fast to keep up with him.
Yeah.
You're
Fast.
sweaty almost as much as me.
Well, that was incredible. Just another toy to have at the Braille house.
For Rowan to try on.
Rowan,
Yeah, oh
do
no.
not, Rowan, you are not allowed to do this. Well, you crushed it. You killed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a lot more videos like this in this playlist right here, and we want you guys to learn how to skateboard. We know this had really nothing to do with skateboarding. Guess
was
what?
fun.
And there was a skateboard involved. That one
Sometimes
pint.
skateboarding is about just having fun with your friends.
That's right.
Why
So
do I feel
have
like
fun
you
with
had
your friends
More fun in this video than any other video.
and learn how to skateboard.
I feel like the last videos that we have on Skate Ever had the most fun. The kayak and this.
So have fun with your friends and learn how to skateboard. We
Yeah.
got you covered at brailleskateboarding.com. We got skateboards. We got learn how to skateboard videos. We got all the kinds of stuff that you can have fun with.
Hello?